guys, today we're going to make this thing I call Falco. I call it Falco because it flies like a falcon, but I'll show you that later. There's two types of Falco. One without this thing, and one with this hold. Now let's make it. First, you have to make a square. The square must be the color you want your Falco to be. Make it a rectangle and then turn it into a square. It should be like this. I said square, but it's actually a rectangle. There's a square. Put it into a rectangle, and then fold it in half, and there's a square. And then you have to fold like a triangle, like this. Fold right here, fold like a triangle. You only have to do it this side, not those two sides. Don't get confused. Okay. Now you fold the tip to the middle line. Tip to the middle. Tip to the middle. And then do the same thing right here. Now it looks like this. Don't get confused. There's only one right here. But you have to do the same thing for this. There's two. So, go like this. Now you have this. Unfold everything and go back to the big square. Fold this. And also fold this. Now you're going to fold this to right here. Like this. Now you're going to fold the point to the middle. Not on top, but the bottom. And do the same thing on the other side, like this. Fold like this in half. It will be like this. Then you fold this right here to right here like a regular plane. Like this. And do the same thing on the other side. Like this. Like this. Ta-da! You got Falco. If you want to, which I'm gonna do, fold this. And fold it like right here to like this. I don't know exact length, but any length you want it. And do the same thing on the other side if you want to do this. Like this. There's Falco. Now, let's see how it flies. Wow. That's the end. Timmy kids. Remember I told you I'm going to call you that from now on? Okay. Bye.